How to sum numbers in Google Sheets. In Google Sheets, it's very easy to add numbers like in other spreadsheet applications. And for summing numbers, Google has a function called sum. There are many ways in which sum can be used. So we will look at 4 of these ways in which I can use the sum function in Excel. Now the first one, I go to the destination cell where I want the result to appear and type equals. Now at once I get a formula suggestion from Excel. It's asking me if I want to sum this column. In this case I do, so I press enter. So this is a very useful feature, and if this does not appear, you need to check that the formula suggestions is enabled by going to tools under autocomplete. Ensure that enable formula suggestions is uh, ticked. So this is one option. Now the other option is to use the explore window. So for that, I will select the data that I want summed. Now if I go to the bottom of the screen, I can find this explore window. Of course, the shortcut key given here is Alt-Shift-X. I click this. Now based on what I've selected, Excel is giving these suggestions for the various functions that I can use. Here is given the range for this. I can use a sum. So I'm going to say yes, I want to use the sum function. Since this is changed into a move pointer, I click this and drag it and drop it in where I want the result to appear. And here I have the sum function given here. I can now close this window. So this is the second option. The third option is to use the menu option. So again, I select the destination cell, go to insert. Here I have an option to insert functions where all the functions are given here arranged categorically and the popular ones at the top. Here I'll click sum. So it populates the cell with the function and asks me for the range. So I just need to select the range, select the first cell, and holding down the shift key, select the last cell and press enter. And again I have it here. Now the fourth and final way is just the good old-fashioned way of typing the sum function into the cell. So I am going to ignore what the formula suggestion is and type SUM, open brackets, select the range by dragging down and closing the brackets. So these are 4 ways in which you can use the sum function in Google. They're all equally easy to use. It depends just on your habit and which method of using sum you get accustomed to the quickest, or which you find is the easiest to use. So please read the appended article for more information.